I've been where you are. Health struggles, feeling lost, wasting time on Instagram. But here's the truth. It's not about creating more programs, having a better website, looking prettier on social media. It's about having the right roadmap. Remember MapQuest? How outdated does it feel now? That's your current roadmap. Outdated. It's time for an upgrade. Think Google Maps for health coaching. With the right directions, you'll find time, you'll find income, and most importantly, results for your clients. Imagine your coaching career as a roadmap. There's so many different ways you can take. You can see everything or only a few things. And sometimes you get lost and have no idea where to go. And the goal of this trip? You're searching for that elusive treasure, the 100K income. And guess what? I actually do have the roadmap. Most coaches are wandering around without a map, ending up in the land of nowhere near 100K. We're talking about common mistakes that are keeping you stuck and how to chart your path to success. In my previous career, I wandered the forest too, planting trees. At that time, I was sure I would never make 100K. It seemed so unattainable considering the hourly wage I was making, but I actually crossed the mark 5 years later. So I'm gonna show you the 4 most important things if you wanna reach 100K per year in your business. Point number 1, picture this. You've set out on your adventure, but you want to see everything. You wanna hike every trail, you wanna see every site, you wanna drive every road, but you only have so much time and you're gonna be rushing from one thing to another if you try to do everything. You can't focus, you are just on the move to the next thing. Sounds exhausting, right? The way that I like to travel is much different than this. I only like to focus on the things that I actually want to do. I have a short specific list so I can easily travel, learn, and enjoy the most. And I take the same thought process in my business. And this brings me to point number 1, having a niche. When you focus on targeting one specific person, not only do you make it easier for you because you only need to know about one condition or one symptom, whatever it is, but also people are going to be more attracted to you because people are searching for specific solutions to specific problems they have. They are not searching for how to get healthy. They're searching for things like how to solve my acne, how to lose weight, or how to get rid of migraine headaches. Point number 2 is gonna help you get the attention your business needs so that you can get clients. But you find yourself always going where everyone else goes, feeling like you're just copying everyone else, following the same trip that everyone has done before. And you do this because you're too scared to take a chance. You're worried to take the path less traveled and that you will be lost. Safety in numbers, right? Wrong. This is how a lot of people think about social media and their online presence. Usually people just copy others because they're too afraid to be original and authentic. And when I first started making videos, I was this way too. I was terrified. Hiding yourself doesn't work. That's you trying to be someone that you're not. It's scary to be exposed, but you really need to shed those concerns. There's one major thing that you can do that will totally shift how people perceive you online. So point number 2 is to show your personality. Quirks, bring them on. Scripts, toss them away. Take a look at me. I swear a lot in my videos and people give me crap for it all the time. People don't want to learn about health and personal development from a fucking robot. They want to learn from someone who has personality, who they can connect with, and who they vibe with in some way. So be the real you. Don't be robotic. Show your personality. And now we move on to point number 3, where I'm going to show you how to create an offer that people actually want to buy. So you're in the dark woods now. Now you're really lost. You've been at your computer for hours. Time lost meaning a long time ago. You've gone way off the path and you have no idea how long it's gonna take you to get back home. Overworked and you don't know when it will end. I've been there before. I've made the mistake of offering my clients a customized package. And this is probably what you were taught in school. When I first started working with clients, my perception was that everyone was uniquely different and needed a specialized approach. I would spend 3 to 4 hours on each client behind the scenes creating a protocol for them. It quickly became apparent that I hit my client max and I was working 50+ hours per week. And that's what leads me to point number 3, which is developing your unique method. Essentially, you need to figure out what steps every single one of your clients needs to take to get a result. What are the things that every single one of your clients needs to do in order to get the outcome that they ultimately want? So by creating your own unique method, you're gonna help guide your clients out of the dark forest they're in and lead them back home. Point number 4 will help you make more money with less effort, which I know sounds too good to be true, but from experience, I know that it's possible. You're constantly searching for new areas to explore. Trails, different mountains, beautiful viewpoints. You are constantly striving for something new. Just like social media, every like, comment, and follower feels like one step closer to success, which is getting clients. But there's something about staying closer to home. We forget about the beautiful grove near our house, our existing clients. This is why this point is so important, because it could have the biggest impact on your income in your business without you actually having to do too much more work. So point number 4 is client retention. This is focusing on the clients you already have, making sure there's always somewhere for them to go and finding better ways to serve them. Finding a new client is actually the most time-consuming and most expensive thing that you do as a business owner. So you really need to make sure that you are leveraging the clients you already have and not losing them, because it's way easier to make a sale from a client that you already have, who already trusts you, who already knows that you're a good coach, versus finding a new client online. With the right niche, personality, program method, and client focus, you're not just capable of making 100K a year, you're destined for it. So we touched on social media a little bit in today's video, and truthfully, I've seen health coaches really struggle with this, and most of them are doing it all wrong. So check out this video if you want to learn how to master social media and let it stop ruining your life and wasting your life.